Waves are the motion of a disturbance, not motion of matter. Waves carry energy from one point to another, but no matter is moved permanently. Work is needed to start a wave, and the wave transfers the energy from a source. Mechanical waves are waves that need a material to travel through. The material that carries a wave is called the medium. A mechanical wave is created when an energy source causes a disturbance by doing work, and the energy of the disturbance is carried through the medium. There are three types of mechanical waves. A transverse wave, which is a vibration of the medium that is perpendicular to the wave motion. A longitudinal wave, which is where the vibration of the medium is parallel to the wave motion. And a surface wave. Magnetic waves are transverse waves consisting of changing electric fields and magnetic fields. They're produced by charges or electrons accelerating or vibrating. Electromagnetic radiation is the transfer of energy by electromagnetic waves traveling through space or matter. The amount of energy the wave carries depends on the wavelength and the frequency of the wave, not the amplitude, which was the case for mechanical waves. The speed of an electromagnetic wave travels way faster than any mechanical wave. The speed of light was measured by Michelson in 1926. The speed of light in a vacuum is 3.00 times 10 to the 8th power meters per second. Electromagnetic waves travel at the same speed, even though they have different wavelengths and frequencies. The dual nature of electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation sometimes behaves like a wave, and sometimes it behaves like a particle.
Alright, the only difference between electromagnetic waves and transverse waves is that electromagnetic waves don't need a medium to travel through, while transverse waves do need a medium.
A period is the time required for one cycle or the time required for the object to reach its starting position again. Periods are measured using time units such as seconds or minutes. Frequency is the number of cycles that occur in 1 second. The frequency of a wave is the same as the source causing the vibration. Frequency is measured in cycles per second. Wavelength is the distance between the same point on a trough or a crest. By increasing the frequency, we also decrease the wavelength. Amplitude is the maximum displacement from the rest position. The bigger the amplitude of the wave, the more energy the wave carries. Wave speed is the speed at which the wave travels through a medium. The speed of a wave can alter depending on the medium.
Okay, so there are two types of mechanical waves. One type is transverse, where the vibration of the medium is perpendicular to the wave motion, and there's longitudinal, or compression waves, which is where the vibration of the medium is parallel to the wave motion.
Wave behavior reflection is when a wave bounces off something. Refraction is when it changes direction. And superposition is basically the concept where two waves could occupy the same area. And interference is when the both waves add energy together resulting into a new wave. Alright. Reflection is when this is showing refraction and reflection. We have changing directions and it's on opposite sides. Yeah, that's really it. This is an example of reflection and refraction waves. A reflection comes from one wave going to one end and then coming back to the same. And refraction comes from the wave on one side switching to the other side once it hits the wall. nature of electromagnetic waves have a magnetic field and an electrical field. Both have different frequencies varying from gamma rays all the way to radio waves, or radio waves all the way to gamma rays. They both can occupy a vacuum or through a medium and can behave like photons or waves.
The similarities between waves on the electromagnetic spectrum are that they consist of two waves, electric and magnetic. Differences are the higher the frequency, the more powerful the waves are.